Welcome to Investing 101, Episode 1. This series teaches you the fundamentals of investing. Today, we answer two questions. Why should you invest? And what are emergency funds? Money loses value over time. This is called inflation. If you keep $10,000 in cash, it buys less next year than it does today. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. When you invest, your money works for you. You earn returns. Those returns earn their own returns. This is called compound interest, and it's powerful. Consider this. If you save $500 monthly for 20 years in a regular savings account earning 0.5%, you'll have about $126,000. But if you invest that same $500 monthly at 7% average return, you'll have about $255,000. That's almost $130,000 more just from investing instead of saving. Investing gives your money the chance to grow significantly over time. Before you invest, you need an emergency fund. This is money set aside for unexpected expenses, car repairs, medical bills, job loss. Your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your monthly expenses are $3,000, your emergency fund should be $9,000 to $18,000. Keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This is different from investing. It's safe, accessible, and earns interest. Currently, high-yield savings accounts earn around 4 to 5% annually. Here's the order. First, build your emergency fund to 3 months of expenses. Second, start investing for long-term goals. Third, increase your emergency fund to 6 months. Why this order? If you invest all your money and face an emergency, you might have to sell investments at a loss. An emergency fund prevents this. Once your emergency fund is complete, you're ready to invest. In the next episode, we'll calculate how much you need to retire. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Click the links below to start investing today.